Hey traders! Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Smartino FX community, where we help US traders master Forex and crypto step by step. If you're watching from the United States and want to finally understand those confusing charts on your trading app, this video is for you. Because let's face it, if you don't know how to read charts, you're basically trading blind. In this video, I'll show you how to read Forex and crypto charts like a pro, even if you're brand new. Let's jump right in. A trading chart simply shows how price moves over time. The horizontal axis, x-axis, shows time, minutes, hours, or days. The vertical axis, y-axis, shows price. Each bar, line, or candle you see represents how the price moved during that specific time period. Whether you're trading EUR USD or Bitcoin, BTC USD, charts tell the story of supply and demand. Most traders use candlestick charts because they show a lot of information fast. Each candle shows 4 key data points. Open, the price when the candle started. Close, the price when it ended. High, the highest point reached low, the lowest point reached. A green candle means price went up. Bullish. A red candle means price went down. Bearish. If you understand that, you already know more than half of what beginners struggle with. Now, let's talk about trends. Uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Buyers are in control. Downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Sellers are in control. Sideways, chart range. Price moves within a zone. No clear direction. Trading with the trend gives you a much higher chance of success. Remember that. To read charts like a pro, you need to use a few tools. Support levels, areas where price tends to bounce up. Resistance levels, areas where price tends to fall back down. Moving averages, like the 50 or 200 EMA, show the overall trend direction. When price breaks above resistance or below support, it often signals a potential new move. This is what experienced traders look for. Chart patterns reveal trader behavior. Some popular ones are double tops and bottoms, show reversals, head and shoulders, signal trend changes, triangles and flags, show continuation. But remember, charts don't predict the future. They simply help you understand what other traders are likely doing. To really read charts like a pro, practice daily. Open your trading app, like Forex.com, Oanda, or TradingView, and analyze one chart a day. Mark support, resistance, and trend direction. Over time, you'll start seeing patterns automatically. If this helped you understand how to read Forex and crypto charts, smash that like button, subscribe to Smartino FX, and comment below. Which charts do you trade more? Forex or crypto? Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial or investment advice. Trading Forex and crypto involves risk. Always do your own research and never trade money you can't afford to lose.